Yo, what up? How you doing? It's Chris from Blackland Ownership. Up here at Chisels and Ginger, and just got a U-Haul truck to pick up a bunch of wood we were storing at the homie spot. And I want to check in with y'all real quick. I've been thinking a lot about land and getting people out to the property to come visit. And I would assume a bunch of my friends are like, yo, why are you so pressed about land and space and property? And I think the more and more I'm looking at the nature, what's happening out here, the availability of food, how space is being occupied, how rights are either being respected or not. When you have your own space, how are things different? Yes, Melissa, I'm recording right here. You want to tell everybody about the garden we're doing in Memphis, Tiki?
Hello, everybody.
You see where the camera is? It's right there on the side of the truck right there. They need to be able to see you, Tiki.
Well, I don't know what you've already said.
I haven't said anything, I just started.
The garden in Memphis. So we purchased a plot of land near the Stax Museum in Memphis, and we are going to be starting to go down there and
I'll hand you the medal.
Community build.
There you go. See you right there.
I'm not really and make connections with folks, and the goal is to have a community garden that gives back to the neighborhood, that works with the neighborhood community and the organizations that exist there. I'm going to be thinking about some different kind of technologies or problem solving around water, around soil, gardening through all 4 seasons in that area. We won't be moving metal there. We will be, I don't know where I'm going.
I don't know. We might have to set up a little chicken coop. So what are some of the other gardening projects we have going on?
Well, we've got a large food garden here with edible flowers and foods, lots of green vegetables, leafy greens, lots of kale, lots of Swiss chard, zucchini, squash, arugula, all kinds of things. Tomatoes, peppers, hot peppers, nasturtium, and then a bunch of flowers. It's really fun. It's been feeding us for a lot of our meals, at least the green parts of our meals. And tried to grow watermelons. Haven't done that, but hoping we can get the watermelons growing down in Memphis where it's a bit warmer for steady periods. We have a pollinator garden in Westchester, New York that is just started. Stone pathways and tall pollinator plants. Lots of different milkweeds, little frog pond in the works. And then we're in the midst of building an upwards kind of garden, above ground garden in DC. We tried it in ground, but there's lots of rabbits there. It's funny that out of all the places, DC is the most urban and we have the most animals eating our food. So, we'll be building an upward layered system. Am I missing a garden? Well, then we have a little bit of a forest garden not too far from this property in New York that we're just kind of starting. I think that's it. This will be our first urban plot. Well, DC is an urban plot, but it's a little different, I guess. Urban plot fully dedicated to garden. No home or house on it. This is very heavy for me, so drop it.
People ask all the time, so what do y'all do out in the middle of nowhere? Like, there's know, you used to go in the grooves of the previous one, so let's not keep sliding it over. What do y'all do out there? And I'll tell you, carry heavy shit is what you do a lot of the time. Just carrying heavy shit. So what do we do different about our garden here this year than last year?
This year we put our beds, we did some raised beds that we made out of wood that we milled.
Why don't we do, I'm on that side and you grab out the truck.
I'm not, no, that doesn't help me.
Yeah, if you're on the truck and just slide me the metal sheets. Let's try that way. Oh, and how much fun is it when you have all this stuff up there?
You're not on video.
I am, sure.
Light because it's a different length than the
Oh
other.
yeah. By the way, if you need tin paneling, holler. We got it on deck. Hold on. I need to put something under here.
These are much heavier, just so you know.
Okay. Hold on, I need to move this so they won't bend. Ow. Okay. Oh, these are heavier.
This is a lighter, a little bit lighter.
Now, you may ask, what are we going to do with all this tin roofing material? I don't know yet. Probably sell a bunch of it on Facebook Marketplace today. Looking like Ranch Antique out here. You can be lighter than that. That's fine. I need to see lots of stables. I grab the bucket of straw. pounds of metal do you think this is?
1,000.
This might be 500 metal.
There's something wrong with it.
That part is ripped a little bit. Ooh, side paneling. It's all the little pieces. Put more under it because their shape's too different.
Most of them are long, just this one.
Put these back on top. Where are all the small ones? Stack that short one. Stack the short one on top of these.
The two on the bottom box? Wait a second. Okay. Come on, Chris. Take this piece, please.
There we go. Almost done, yeah.
Well, these are big.
Hold on. Oh, yeah.
Got them?
Yeah. Are these on Austin? Yep. Yes. All right. Move the wood part off top if you can. And I can start sliding these out. Be careful, this fall. Awesome tan. All right, I'll move these in a bit. So some of these are for fencing. If you, the ones that definitely are all chipped, we should just put aside and we can fill in the fencing on there. Or use
well, I do want to cut some, or use, I want to cut some more that look a little more like those. Just a few more. Because they're so pretty. If we can. You know?
Yep.
Ooh, little caddy.
A little what?
Caddy pillow.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta figure out where we're gonna put these.
Okay.
But the day is not over here at Chisels and Ginger. We got the wood, we got the metal tin, we got more wood, we got Rob up in the building. We out here, it's a beautiful day. Even when it's, what is it, 60 degrees, 55 degrees? It feels good. This is a good, like,
That's it?
yeah, if it weren't summer, like if this were fall or like early spring, this would feel great. But it's August.
It's cold.
I mean, you know, some of us are just out here in a natural element. Some of us are a bit soft and used to the city.
Natural
Now he's
element?
on video.
Hold on.
He's
It's
trying to
cold.
be cool on video.
Is
He can't handle
cold
the
our
cold.
natural element?
So one thing that Rob likes to do is defer the discussion. So now he's talking about is cold our natural element. As humans, we are very comfortable in this temperature range. All around the globe, people are very happy at 58 degrees, especially if they got a sweatshirt on. Imagine if you was wearing alpaca fur. You'd be perfect. Alpaca fur. That's right. We out here. All right. I'm gonna check in with y'all.
Ba-da-dee, ba-da-da.